Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Phychain token. Now ticker symbol is PHY, and this token was just announced as getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, April 11th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Phychain, all one word, is the name of the token. PHY is the ticker symbol. This is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. It's not really available anywhere yet according to their BSC scan. It's not even on Pancakeswap yet. 6 decimal places on this token. Max total supply is 2 billion tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be listed starting tomorrow, April 11th, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So this token will be live on Mexc tomorrow, 9 a.m. UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search PHY, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, a day prior to the Mexc Global listing, is a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDT for this token. So check out the Kickstarter event today, and then check out the full listing tomorrow on Mexc. Now, it says Phychain is the world's first innovative platform based on DePIN, which is Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Network, and distributed computing power technology. We are committed to unlocking the potential of billions of idle devices, building a fair and sustainable decentralized computing power network, and providing robust support for the future digital economy. Now, Phychain has emerged as a pioneering project in this transformative era. It aims to create a global, distributed computing ecosystem that promotes inclusivity in the digital economy through its self-developed distributed resource activation protocol. Phychain transforms smart devices like phones, routers, and wearables into core nodes of a decentralized network, enabling resource sharing and efficient utilization. Phychain's vision is to democratize access to computing power, breaking the monopoly of tech giants and making resources accessible to everyone, every individual and small business by combining technology with market forces. Phychain strives to revolutionize the allocation of computing resources and drive the equitable development of digital economies. Now, Phychain is an innovative platform centralized around DePIN that redefines the value of connected devices through distributed computing technology. With over 12 billion connected devices globally, the vast majority of their computing resources remain idle. So Phychain's mission is to activate the latent potential of all these devices, such as smartphones, routers, etc., turning them into valuable nodes. This provides global users with enterprises with open, efficient, and cost-effective computing services, and the platform employs a self-developed distributed resource activation protocol, DRA for short, and dynamic computing resource scheduling algorithms to ensure intelligent and efficient allocation of device resources, overcoming the limitations of traditional centralized computing architectures. Users can connect their devices to the network with minimal effort, turning them into core nodes capable of distributing computing power and earning token rewards. Through transparent and decentralized smart contract mechanisms, Phychain ensures fair profit distribution, making every participant an integral part of the digital economy. Phychain's hardware ecosystem is a vital component of its business model. The platform plans to introduce a wide range of smart hardware devices that support the DePIN network, such as the wearables, the Web3 smartphones, and power banks. These devices are equipped with seamless computing integration, serving as user-friendly gateways to the distributed network. The Web3 smartphone, for example, is more than just a communication device. It is a powerful tool for managing blockchain-based identity, multi-chain wallets, and earning rewards through computing contributions. This integration of hardware and software lowers the barrier for users to participate in Web3 and distributed networks, further driving adoption. In addition to technological and hardware innovation, Phychain offers an intuitive DApp, decentralized application to enhance user experiences. Users can monitor their devices' computing contributions, rewards, and network status in real time, ensuring transparent and streamlined interaction. Through these efforts, Phychain not only provides essential infrastructure for the digital economy, but also empowers individuals and enterprises to reap the benefits. Now, they have a full white paper where you can find all of the information at phychain.gitbook.io. Over there, you can find token functions, global strategy and roadmap, application scenarios, technical architecture. But in a nutshell, that's basically what Phychain is. If you want to follow their socials, it is at Phychain_EN on Telegram, and that's for English. And they have 21,938 subscribers on that Telegram. You can preview the channel before joining. They have their webpage, phychain.com. That has tons of info and links on there. And then their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual, at Phy_chain, 73,000 Twitter followers. And like I said, this token is being listed tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.